Welcome back to AERO Auto Defense, the place where we bring you the most exciting stories from the skies, the land, and the future of defense technology. If you are passionate about advanced aircraft and cutting-edge innovation, make sure to subscribe and stay with us, because today we are going to talk about Japan's ambitious next-generation fighter jet, the Mitsubishi F-X. The Mitsubishi F-X, sometimes referred to as the F-3, is Japan's answer to the growing challenges of modern aerial warfare. With rising security concerns in the Indo-Pacific region, Japan has realized that depending only on imported aircraft is not enough. The F-X represents not just a fighter, but a statement of Japan's technological independence and military capability. Development of the F-X began as a direct replacement for Japan's aging F-2 fighters. While the F-2 was co-developed with the United States, the new F-X is designed to be primarily Japanese-made, with international cooperation only in specialized areas. This shift highlights Tokyo's determination to build a fighter that can compete with the most advanced aircraft in the world, including the American F-35 and even potential future Chinese or Russian jets. The F-X is expected to be a sixth-generation fighter, meaning it goes beyond the stealth and networked capabilities of fifth-generation aircraft. Early reports suggest the jet will feature advanced stealth shaping, internal weapons bays, and possibly even laser weapons in the future. One of its most impressive planned features is an advanced radar system capable of detecting enemy stealth aircraft. Combined with artificial intelligence support, the F-X will be able to process battlefield information faster and assist pilots in making split-second decisions. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries is leading the development, but Japan has also invited participation from international partners like Lockheed Martin, Rolls-Royce, and BAE Systems. These collaborations focus mainly on engines, avionics, and radar technologies. Still, Japan intends to keep the fighter's design and production under its own control to ensure sovereignty over the program. Another remarkable element of the F-X is its focus on interoperability. The fighter will be designed to operate seamlessly alongside US and allied forces in the region. This means sharing data in real time, coordinating missions, and ensuring that the jet is not just powerful on its own, but also a force multiplier within a network of allied aircraft and defense systems. The projected cost of the program is enormous, estimated at tens of billions of dollars, but Japan views it as a long-term investment in both security and industrial growth. Developing the F-X will not only strengthen Japan's air self-defense force but also boost its domestic defense industry and create jobs in high-tech sectors. The first flight of the Mitsubishi F-X is expected in the late 2020s, with full deployment around the 2030s. While that might seem far away, the development of such a complex aircraft takes time, precision, and massive resources. What is clear, however, is that Japan is positioning itself to remain at the forefront of aerial defense for decades to come. Thank you for watching AERO Auto Defense. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Japan's future fighter jet, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, because more exciting defense stories are on the way.